Hello everyone, welcome to the Lovely Ladies collaboration where we post on the first of each month a project using Lovely Ladies little girl stamped images or die cuts or whatever, as long as they're little ladies, lovely little ladies. So this month, and we have a theme every month, and this month it was birds and butterflies, or birds or butterflies, birds or butterflies. So I'm going to show you real quick what I used. Nick's Crafty Corner, I believe, had gifted this pad to me, this 6x6" little birdie fairy, and it says sparkle, although I didn't see sparkle. Anyway, I used 2 sheets of this lavender-ish paneling, and I used just this 1 sheet. As you can see, I die cut some things of butterflies, and it is very shiny. Not really sparkle, but it's shiny, and it's a thick paper cardstock kind of thing. And it has some cutouts, although they're not punch outs. They're definitely, you have to fussy cut them. I fussy cut one out, and you'll see that in a minute. And then I also use this Jot sticker sheet, just butterflies and flowers off of it. Now, I usually do Gorgeous Girls. However, for this month, I had picked out 2 images that had been stamped and sent to me in friend mail a while back, and I believe Charlisa's Crafty Corner had sent them to me. Hi, Lisa. So here's my first card. I don't remember the names of these girls because I don't have the stamps, so I'm sorry about that. I pulled out Tempting Turquoise cardstock, which is a retired Stampin' Up! Color that I was lucky enough to get off, oh gosh, the clearance rack at one point, because I had found a Tempting Turquoise stamp pad, ink pad, at a yard sale. I didn't use the ink pad today. I don't even know if I still have that. I must, because I wouldn't have gotten rid of turquoise. Anyway, and I think I found the ink refill in the clearance rack at the same time as this paper. So I used that. I put the paneling behind it. I used Stampin' Up's Layering Ovals. She was stamped on a big enough piece of paper that I could die cut the oval out. And I colored her with my blends: Light and Dark Pool Party, Light and Dark So Saffron, Light and Dark Petal Pink. This is Purple Posy, Light and Dark, and I think that's it on her. And I used Wink of Stella. You're not going to be able to tell, but her background and her wings are covered in shimmery. I don't think you can see it. It's not showing up on here, but these are all sparkly. This is what I fussy cut. It has a little bird's nest and a butterfly. I don't know if it really goes there. And then this ribbon is the new, this is available August 4th, Snowflake Splendor ribbon in iridescent. It's a 1/4 inch. That just added a little more sparkle. And this little star is from Stampin' Up. I believe it came in the Most Wonderful Time product medley kit. So I just put that on her little star at the end of her wand. And then here are the Dollar Tree sparkly butterflies. Okay, and that's all I did on the inside. All I did was put a strip of the paneling paper. I was going to add another butterfly, but I didn't have any more that matched the colors. I only had green ones left, so I didn't put one there. And then the second card is similar, but it's a different little girl. Again, I don't know the names of these little girls, so I apologize, but I was gifted them. So I used the stitch shaped dies in the largest square, and that just barely fit her, but it left a little space over here. So I put some flowers here and here, and then just sparkly butterflies there and there. Now she's colored in with So Saffron, Light and Dark, Petal Pink, Light and Dark, a little dark flirty flamingo on her lips, Light Magenta Madness, Light and Dark Purple Posy, a little bit of Bermuda Bay Light for the butterfly body, and a little bit of Pool Party, light for its wings and some purple posy light, and light and dark misty moonlight for this part of her hat and her little outfit, which I think is like denim. So, and then the lace around it is, her socks is purple posy. So I think she's cute. I wasn't sure about the eyes, so I left them just white like that. But I was going to make them blue, and I thought I've got too much color going on in here, so I left it. So that's all I did on that one. And then again, same on the inside. So those are my 2 cards for Birds and Butterflies for our lovely ladies collaboration this month. Please go check out the other ladies that have joined in the collab. There are a handful of us now, and they will all be linked down below. Boy, that's blurry. I don't know why that's so blurry. Maybe too many things to focus on. There we go. So yeah, I had fun making these, something a little different. I actually had a different idea in mind, but I was confused on what the theme was for this month. So that's why I'm a little late. I had to change gears. So forgive me for that. But I'm not late where I'm on the right day, but I'm late for the time that I like to post. And everybody else probably already has. So, all right, guys, talk to you soon. Go check out the others. Hugs, love, and peace. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye for now. And happy August. Yay.